Alright, here's another bar chord sus4 format. As we know, we had A, and then the A sus4, or typically. So if you play it this way, then you're prepared to go up one fret, put your bar down on the first fret of the A string. Again, we're going to play this as a 4-string strum. So this is A sharp or B flat, add the pinky, and it's A sharp or B flat, sus4. Move it up another fret, you got B, add the pinky, and it's B sus4. C, C sharp or D flat, add the pinky, and you got your sus4. Add the pinky, D sus4, D sharp or E flat, add the pinky, you got a sus4. E, F, F sharp. F sharp is also G flat. G, G sharp or A flat. A. Now you can continue up the neck if your fingers fit.